What's up guys, Isaac here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow micro cilantro. These are the materials that you're going to need. One 10-20 tray with holes. Two 10-20 trays without holes. You're going to need 48 grams of cilantro seeds, 1 scoop of potting soil of your choice, 1 garden brick, and a hose to water the crops with. You're going to need a kitchen knife to harvest your greens and an LED light to grow them with. Put the tray with holes on top of the tray without holes. The tray without holes is going to hold the water. Next, line the bottom of the tray with soil. Take your cilantro seeds and evenly distribute them across the tray. Now, cover the seeds with an additional thin line of soil. Now it's time to water your greens. Take your hose and lightly spray. You want to make sure that you completely cover the tray with water, but try to avoid puddling. Now take the third tray and put it on top of the now wet seeds, and then take your garden brick and put it on top of that tray. The garden brick will weigh down the tray, allowing for even germination of your seeds. Next, we're going to put the tray in a dark area to allow the seeds to germinate. Now we're going to wait 5 to 6 days to allow those seeds to germinate. On the 6th day, remove the top tray and the brick, and you should see seeds starting to sprout. Now take the tray indoors and put it under your LED light source. Check on the soil every day. If you notice that it's starting to get dry, you need to water it. If it's moist, you're in good shape. On the 18th day, your microgreens are ready to be harvested. Take a kitchen knife and harvest them just above the soil. Package them in a Tupperware container and put them in the refrigerator. They'll last for 7 to 10 days. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please consider liking, subscribing, and if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, and we'll see you at the next episode.